Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix if iCloud drive taking too much space on your iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings. Now from here guys, you have to scroll it down, then tap on how to tap on shutdown, and just simply have to power off your device for 2 or 3 minutes and then turn it on again. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings. Now tap on your Apple ID. From here you have to scroll it down, then tap on iCloud. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on iCloud Drive. Now after that guys, you have to turn this on. So you have to turn this off. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go back. Now after that, you have to open the settings, then scroll it down, then tap on general. Now from here you have to tap on iPhone storage. If you have any unnecessary app here, just simply have to delete the app, or you have to clear the cache by offloading the app. Okay guys, and after that you have to close this page. Now open the settings again, then you have to tap on your Apple ID again, scroll it down. Now from here you have to tap on iCloud again. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on show all. Now from here guys, you have to turn off some of the apps for iCloud Drive. Okay guys, so you have to turn off some unnecessary apps, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to force restart your device. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings again, then tap on your Apple ID again, then tap on iCloud again, then tap on iCloud Drive again, and then you have to turn this on. You can also tap on manage the storage. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to delete some of the storage if you have any unnecessary here. So you can delete from here guys. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.